We are back out in the mountains again today, where we were up in Breckenridge, where finally they've got enough snow to start some of their snow sports activities that had been delayed because there just wasn't enough snow. This morning they got 5 inches, then another 5 inches today. So far this week, Breckenridge has gotten 14 inches of snow. Not just Breckenridge, but several other resorts across the mountains and the high country have now gotten enough snow to open up other runs. This is good news because we've been without snow for so long. This significant moisture is a good thing, not only for the snow sporting activities, but also for our watersheds. In Denver, we have been without snow for so long that finally this cold weather along with the moisture has come along, and so many of the mountain towns are so glad that they got such a big amount of snowfall last night.